Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I'm going to be opening up a little bit about something that's uncomfortable for me, and I'm going to be talking about a skin condition that I have that not a lot of people, even my best friends, don't even know that I have it. So I wanted to open up a little bit and talk to you about it. So if you want to see what it is, then go ahead and stay tuned. So let's hop into the video. So first of all, let me start off by saying I am not a dermatologist and I am not a doctor. Anything in this video is just simply me talking about my experience and what works for me. So with that being said, I have a skin condition called Keratosis Pilaris. And it sounds really scary, but actually it's a super common skin disorder. You know, our bodies go through changes as we get older. I'm 32 years old, going on 33 this year, and you know, I just started noticing this myself on my body probably in my mid-20s. And so what it is, and I will throw up some pictures as well. Keratosis pilaris is basically a skin disorder that affects the hair follicles that makes a rough appearance on your skin, and it looks kind of like, they call it, another term for it is chicken skin, because you know it has the small goose-like raised bumps that almost kind of look like acne, but they're not, and they can vary in redness. And for me, like, sometimes they get a little itchy, not really. Some of the common places where you can get them are, you know, your butt, your arms, your legs, sometimes the tops of your feet, and it can occur in kids on their face. For me personally, I only have it from like my ankles to my thighs. I don't have anything on my arms or, you know, my back or anything like that, just my ankles to my thighs. I really struggle with this. It's part of the reason why I don't wear shorts. It's just really super, you know, I'm very self-conscious about it. I know I shouldn't be living with this condition. It's really irritating in a sense that it never goes away. There's no cure for KP, but there are ways that you can do, at least for me, to alleviate the redness. And there are a lot of things out there that don't work. I've tried so many things, and I am going to talk about what I do personally to kind of diminish the redness and bring down like the bumpiness. The first thing that I want to say is on Amazon, I ordered these gloves. They're like exfoliating gloves. I use this in the shower. So I take one glove and I wet it, and with my next product, I rub it over my legs, so the areas that I have it in, like I said, my ankles to my thighs. The product that I found that works for myself, and I've tried a couple different ones and they didn't really work. The ones that I found for me are called Glytone. So these are what they look like. The one I use in the shower with the mitten is the exfoliating body wash. Now I have to say these are, for me, pretty harsh products. When I use the glove and this, I only do my legs. I do not wash the rest of my body with this. When you use this product, you can get sensitive to the sun. So when you go outside, make sure that you wear a sunscreen or, you know, long sleeves or jeans or wherever you're using it. This has 8.8 free acid value, and the thing which works for this, and I have some notes down here, but what seems to work with keratosis pilaris for the treatments at least, or to help diminish the bumps, is lactic acid, glycolic acid, I don't know how to pronounce the next one, salicylic acid, or laser therapy. Now, I'm not going to go get laser therapy. I don't have that kind of money. I have heard that the laser therapy works and can really get rid of it. But if you don't have access to that kind of thing, I highly recommend Glytone. So again, what I do is when I get in the shower is you really want to exfoliate. So I take one glove and I use the body wash and I sit there and vigorously rub my legs, and I use this probably about 3 times a week. And then when I get out of the shower, I use the exfoliating body lotion. Now, with this, it's very thick. And if you have any sort of cut or something like a hangnail or anything on your hands or wherever you're putting it, be very careful because it does sting. It burns, at least for me. And I, again, will use this when I use the body wash. So again, about three times a week. You just want to be very on top of exfoliating. That really works, whether you have a scrub or this exfoliating body wash. Now, there isn't anything in here to me that feels like it exfoliates. Like there's no like sand particles or anything in here. It's just the body wash, and then the glove is kind of more of the exfoliant. So I just wanted to open up a little bit about this skin condition that I have and let you know that I do have it. And if you have it, let me know in the comments below. You know, it is a struggle. It's kind of like embarrassing or self-conscious, and that's why I personally don't wear skirts or shorts. I'm always in leggings and jeans because it just kind of happened like in my mid-20s, and I don't really know why. I might have an idea why, and again, I'm not really sure, but I take really, really, really hot showers. That probably could be why. I think it affects mostly people that have dry skin. I tend to have more dry skin on my body. My face is more, you know, normal to combination, but I didn't know what it was at first, and so I went to my dermatologist. I had to go there because I had cancer previously, and that is something I haven't talked about yet on my channel, but so I went to my dermatologist, and I was asking her while I had my checkup, you know, I was like, oh, I have these red bumps on my legs, like what are these? And she was like, oh, you have KP. And I was like, well, what is this? And she said that it was called Keratosis Pilaris, and it's a very common skin condition. It's harmless, but unfortunately it's chronic, like there's no cure. It's just embarrassing and uncomfortable. And I was like, yeah, like, 'cause I don't wear shorts or anything anymore. So I really started to do my research and, you know, try to find things that worked for myself. I do also find that using lotion all the time really does help bring down at least the redness. Just if you have dry skin, really try to keep yourself hydrated. Drink lots of water. I feel like that works for me too. And I don't know if this is the case, like, but I know for me, when I'm stressed, they seem to get more inflamed. I don't know if it's just me in my head, but I feel like stress can kind of bring up the redness. So I try to stay as stress-free as possible. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to share my experience, the skin condition, and it, you know, I'm trying to hang in there, and if you have it, I hope that you can hang in there as well, and hopefully we can, you know, try to get better together. And I want to start wearing like shorts and skirts and stuff in the summertime. So I'm really working diligently on using these products, and I will throw up another picture of kind of my progress. I've been doing this for about a couple weeks now, and I already see a slight difference. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's kind of hard for me opening up about it, but I thought I would come on here and share with you guys my little story time and what I kind of do to help the condition. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me some comments below. Let me know if you have any similar issues or if you have KP, and I would love to hear really your stuff below. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure that when my face pops up, you can click on that to easily subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and then turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on all the other videos that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.